In this video, we are going to see a very basic theorems of Boolean algebra. In previous video, we have seen the basic rules. Along with those, we are going to see the basic theorems. In Boolean algebra, we are using two binary variables 0 and 1. So, if there exists an element 0, so for every a plus 0 is equals to a. If a is either 0 or and a plus 1 is equals to 1. Third one, a plus a is equals to a. Fourth one, a dot a, that is a and a is equals to a. Fifth one, a into 0 is equals to 0. Something multiplied by 0 gives 0. A into 1 is equals to a. If a is either 1 or 0. And next one, a plus a bar, that is a plus a complement is equals to 1. And next, a into a bar is equals to 0. These two are complement properties. And next one, a into b plus c gives a into b plus a into c. This is distributive law. Next one, a plus b into c gives a plus b a plus c. These two are distributive law. Next one is a plus b is equals to b plus a. This is commutative law. And next one, a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. Same with the multiplication, a into bc is equals to ab multiplied by c. These two comes under associative law. And these four, a plus 1 equals to 1, a plus a is equals to a into a is equals to a multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. These four comes under idempotency law. And the most important rule of Boolean algebra is duality. This duality theorem states that addition is changed to multiplication and multiplication is changed to addition. This is done when complement is used. Say for example, a plus b whole complement is written as a bar dot b bar. That is, addition is changed to multiplication, and a dot b whole complement gives a bar plus b bar. Multiplication is changed to addition. So these two are nothing but De Morgan's theorem. So the duality theorem is used in the De Morgan's theorem. So let us verify this with truth table. A plus b whole bar is equals to a bar dot b bar. This we can verify with the truth table. So De Morgan's theorem is same for a dot b whole complement is equals to a complement plus b complement. The truth table of the second equation, ab whole bar is equals to a bar plus b bar. So 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, complement of 0 is 1. Same for a bar plus b bar. So this is also verified with the truth table. And the next and important theorem is consensus theorem. In this theorem, the equation AB plus A bar C plus BC is equals to AB plus A bar C. Proof of this consensus theorem, we will see A B plus A bar C plus BC. So BC is multiplied with 1. So complement is equals to 1. AB plus A bar C plus A complement into BC. Multiplying BC with A plus A bar, ABC plus A complement BC. B is taken common from these two. AB is that 1 plus C plus A bar C plus A bar BC. A plus 1 is equals to 1. Similarly, so AB into 1 plus A bar C plus A bar into BC. AB plus A bar C is taking common. So 1 plus B. AB plus A bar C. So hence consensus theorem is proved. So in this way we can prove the any theorem. And the last is double complement. Double complement of any number gives the original number. So if we take A as 0, A complement is 1. Complementing it again gives 0. So that is double complement of element gives the same element. If A is equals to 1, double complement of A is 1 only, that is A.